What's up, guys? Alpha Dog here with another pick of the day, brought to you by who else but Bookmakers Review. Guys, we're going to Sunday Night Baseball tonight between the Padres and the Dodgers, and we're taking the over yet again. It's sitting at 8.5 again at minus 115. I anticipate the Dodgers bats to still put up runs. I think the Padres will get some runs off Anderson as well. So yet again, over 8.5 at minus 115. And guys, don't forget that BMR is hosting their NFL season-long $25,000 free-to-play pick'em contest. You can sign up at bmrcontest.com today. Come play against me. A lot of fun, and it's free to join. So yet again, $25,000 free-to-play NFL pick'em pool sponsored by BMR at bmrcontest.com.